The most sold Dutch oven isn't always the best, that's what I learned the hard way. Everyone talks about brand names and shiny colors, but real performance, that's buried under marketing fluff. Today, I'm cutting through the noise with 5 ovens that actually cook, not just look good on your shelf. Product number 1, Umite Chef 5 QT Cream White. First up, the Umite Chef 5 QT in Cream White, a solid mid-tier option at just over $50. What caught my eye was the heavy-duty enameled cast iron build and the fact that over 7,000 people bought it last month. If you want even heat without scorching your stews, this is worth a serious look. The thick walls lock in heat after a 5-7 minute preheat, and the airtight lid keeps moisture circulating so your braises stay juicy. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees F, works on induction, gas, or electric, and comes with cotton pot holders, a small but thoughtful touch. The non-stick enamel surface wipes clean easily, and the wide stainless handles stay grippy even with mitts. But here's the catch: thermal shock will crack the enamel if you rush cooling. Some users reported chipping after pouring cold water into a hot pot, which is totally avoidable, but still a risk if you're not careful. Now I get it, nobody reads the manual. But if you let it cool naturally for 45 minutes, this thing performs like a champ. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, everyday cooking without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're impatient with cleanup or frequently move from stove to sink while cooking. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 2, Umite Chef 5 QT Red. Now, if the cream white felt too plain, the Umite Chef 5 QT in red offers the exact same performance with a pop of color, still at $50.73. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people love the style. The specs are identical: 5-quart capacity, enameled cast iron, airtight lid with condensation nodes, and oven safe up to 500 degrees F. The non-stick enamel makes cleanup a breeze, and the included pot holders are a nice bonus. And this is a big but, the red enamel shows stains more than lighter shades. Coffee, tomato sauce, even turmeric can leave faint marks that won't fully wipe off. Some buyers mentioned the color fading slightly after high heat roasting, though the cooking performance stayed strong. Now I'll be real, if you're serving dinner guests and care about presentation, those stains might bug you. But if you're cooking for family and don't mind a little character, it's still a fantastic pot. This is perfect for you if you want bold style without sacrificing function. Skip this one if you're a neat freak or plan to use it for heavily pigmented dishes regularly. Otherwise, it's a great pick. Product number 3, Overmont 5.5 QT Cream White. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for serious home cooks. The Overmont 5.5 QT in Cream White at $57.09. Slightly bigger at 5.2 liters, it's built for bigger batches. It's oven safe to 500 degrees F, works on all stovetops including induction, and comes with a cotton handle cover and even a free cookbook. The enamel surface is ultra smooth, so cleaning takes seconds. But here's the flaw: the handles are a bit narrow for such a heavy pot. A few buyers said it's awkward to lift when full, especially with oven mitts. I felt that too. It's not unsafe, but you need 2 hands and confidence. Still, for the price and included extras, it's a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you cook large meals or love baking bread. That even heat is perfect for crust development. Skip this one if you have weak wrists or often cook solo with heavy dishes. Otherwise, it's a smart upgrade. Product number 4, Nuova 6.4 QT Dark Blue. Now, if you need serious capacity, the Nuova 6.4 QT in dark blue steps up. It's the largest here at over 6 quarts, priced at $63.43. Ideal for big families or batch cooking, it's built with thick enameled cast iron and holds heat like a dream. The double handles make lifting easier, and the lid seals tightly for slow braises or no-knead bread. And this surprised me, it's heavier than expected. At nearly 15 pounds empty, some users said it's tough to maneuver, especially if you're not used to cast iron. A few also mentioned the enamel can chip near the rim if dropped, though that's more about handling than build quality. Still, for the size and performance, it's impressive. This is perfect for you if you regularly cook for 6+ people or love meal prepping. Skip this one if you have limited storage or mobility issues. It's a beast in the best way. Product number 5, Lodge 5 QT Double Dutch Oven. Finally, the Lodge 5 QT Double Dutch Oven, the only bare cast iron on this list, and it's made in the USA. No price listed, but expect to pay more and you're getting a 2-in-1. The lid flips into a 10.25-inch skillet. That's genius for searing meat before braising or making cornbread. It's PFAS-free, pre-seasoned, and built to last generations. The dual handles make lifting safer, and it works on grill, campfire, or stove. And this is key, it requires seasoning and maintenance. Unlike enameled versions, you can't just toss it in water or use soap freely. Some buyers forgot to re-season and got rust spots. Also, no enamel means no non-stick ease. Food can stick if not properly heated or oiled. Still, for purists who want durability and versatility, it's unmatched. This is perfect for you if you camp, grill, or want heirloom quality cookware. Skip this one if you want grab-and-go convenience or hate maintenance. It's not for everyone, but for the right cook, it's unbeatable. So which one wins? The Umite Chef creams for value, the Overmont adds smart extras, the Nuova dominates for size, and the Lodge is the rugged classic. Each has a flaw, stains, weight, maintenance, but all deliver where it counts. Pick based on your kitchen, not the hype. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep testing what actually works.